Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to upscale image to 4K with Vance AI. So, let us begin. Step number 1. Launch your preferred web browser and enter vanceai.com into the browser's address bar. Step number 2. If you haven't already logged into your Vance AI account to access its powerful feature, I suggest you do so. Step 3. Scroll down to explore the array of capabilities Vance AI offers. Choose AI Upgrade Image to 4K and click on Start Now. Step number 4. Tap Click to upload and select the image you want to enhance. On the right, choose 4K as the output option. Then click Start to Process to begin processing. Wait until it's done processing the image. And here, you can see the before and after of your images. Now, simply click on Download Watermark for free to get your enhanced 4K image. It's that simple to transform your photos into stunning 4K masterpieces. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.